Hello, parents and students. This is Mr. Golias, and we're just checking in with our first presentations coming up. So we are in our Genius Hour slides, which you can find in the Google Drive. We should have multiple slides already made. So we're done with the mission statement, smarter goals, and we've already spent some work time and discovery time. So the main pieces we want to see tomorrow are the mental map, which this should have been done. It was part of our infotech slides, and we just brought it in here as well. And then the next piece depends on their project. I'll show you a sample for a video. So our planning and preparation, and this is going to take up a large amount of our students who are either doing some type of video, documentary, time-lapse, stop motion. They're making tutorials and or screencasts or animation. So like I said, this is going to cover a lot of people doing it this way. So they are using the blank presentation, which can be found right here also in the Genius Hour slides directions, and they can just right click on the thumbnail and then they'll go back into their own Genius Hours and paste it. Then they're going to just do, it's basically like an outline that's visual, and they have their little titles and an image to show what that is, and then a short description underneath it. If they're going for a 4, they need to show proof they've started. It could be something just this simple, where this person took a screenshot of the video editor they're going to use. They've titled the presentation. They haven't done anything. There's no video or anything. They're just showing this is where I'm headed. That would be an example of a 4. Some other projects, what that might look like if I'm doing a video game, I'm doing a sketch, and here's they're not supposed to spend a ton of time on these, just give an idea of what each level would look like. So you might have probably 2 or 3 different sketches. I have a link here for Sketchpad, which is a free program where they can do their sketches. And then for the 4, they would just have to create the account. Like you can see up here, it says Mr. Golias, so it's my name. I put in one sprite and one little piece that says when click to start, and I named it. That takes about 2 minutes. It just shows they start. Scratch is accessible anywhere online. Example of CAD, and I think you're getting the idea. Anyone doing Tinkercad or 3D printing, these do not have to be this specific, where this is really almost ready to print. They can use, again, Sketchpad, and just have I just want them to have an idea of what dimensions they're trying for. That will work out later in class. And again, this would be a screenshot, shows their account, and they're ready to go. One last thing, you just might want to look at question of the day 21, which is just a quick way to get to the presentation rubric that's there, and we already have answered some questions about this, but it's a great way to see the rubric and do a check-in. So I hope this video is helpful on organizing and getting set for tomorrow's big presentations, and I hope everyone does a great job. Thanks a lot.